Welcome to the Center for Teaching and Learning's video on how to use audio-video feedback in eLearning. Video or audio feedback can be a great way to provide detailed and conversational feedback to your students. It allows you to show emotion, emphasis, and personality while communicating areas of improvement for the student. To provide video or audio feedback, go to your student's submissions in either Needs Grading or Full Grade Center. Once the submission loads, you can review the assignment and grade it as you normally would do. To add audio or video feedback, click the A in the form to expand your options. Once you're in the expanded menu, you'll see an icon of a microphone. This will allow you to provide audio or video feedback. Click the microphone and/or camera to begin recording your session. Make sure you allow access to your device's microphone and/or camera so you can leave audio or video feedback. Beth, I really like the topic you chose for this essay. It was timely, and you approached this controversial subject in a very professional manner. I would recommend leading into your thesis statement a little more, using your intro paragraph to engage the reader, show your knowledge of the topic, and then provide us with the thesis to pull the reader in more. I would also recommend reviewing our course materials on in-text citations. Include a personal greeting for the student and highlight things in the submission you enjoyed seeing. Provide an explanation of what could be improved upon, along with why points may have been deducted in certain areas. Be critical, but also encouraging by ending the feedback on a positive note, or encourage further communication if improvement is needed. You will be able to review the recording before posting it. You can delete takes and re-record the feedback if you're not satisfied with the recording. You have a maximum of 5 minutes for audio or video. You may want to add some comments to accompany the video or audio feedback to summarize your feedback or invite further discussion, such as, if you have any further questions about my comments, please email me. Students will be able to click the video-audio link in My Grades to view or listen to the feedback. If you want to go back and review the audio or video feedback, go to Full Grade Center, go to the Assignment column, Grade Submission, and View Grade Details. In the View Grades Details section, you will see the option to review your audio or video feedback.